Wouldn't you like to know how to make your employees feel more empowered and lighten your workload as a manager? Well, if you do, the purpose of this article, New Designs of Work Groups, Applications of Empowerment by Jeff Margulies and Brian Keller. And this article is important because it explains to you as a manager how to create and use work groups to improve employee happiness and to improve work processes to make your business more successful and efficient. Now that I've explained to you the importance of this article, I would like to explain a few of the main points that were in this article. The first point being that on examining the characteristics you're implementing this empowerment, you need to understand how it relates to your management structure and your focus. When you're implementing empowerment in your management structure, you need to create work teams that are either customer focused or product focused. Your management focus then needs to be on developing a more nurturing environment of teamwork and creativity. You then need to identify typical processes in your organization that need improvement, that maybe you're not exactly close enough to that to fix it, but your employees know how to fix it because they're in it every day. They're doing that process every day, and they will have a better understanding of how to fix it. The next step would be your decision making. And in an empowerment system, work groups process the related decisions. They're going to decide how the process needs to be fixed and how it needs to be fixed. And then you need to let them give you input on how to implement those changes because let's be honest, they're going to know how it's going to work better than you will. They're in the trenches. They're the ones doing the work every day. The final part of this section is making sure that once the new process has been created and it's successful, that you reward and recognize the teamwork and the performance that was done by this team. The second point about this article is that once you've established those work groups, there are 6 steps you need to empower your team members. You need to treat your employees like they're a team. You need to genuinely care about them as a team and as an individual. You need to concentrate on their strengths and not their weaknesses. You need to invest in them through training and development. You need to share information with them on how your company's doing and the vision or the strategic how your business is moving forward strategically. And your final step on that would be to give up control to your employees. There's nothing more empowering of an employee is to know that you have control over how something's going. The last and final point that I would like to make and discuss is that in order for your work teams to be successful, they need to have a few key elements. They need to have proper training. They need to have a shared vision. They need to have a set of shared values. They need to have shared benefits. And they need to know that as your manager, you have faith in them. And then you need to have an organizational structure within your business that supports risk-taking. And, failure in the process of success is okay. In conclusion, I hope you now understand the steps on how to empower your employees and how to create work groups that are very empowered, so that in your future career, you can use these steps to create a work environment that's full of empowered and happy employees that will help create a successful business for you. Thank you.